Okay, so hi guys, so we're down here at a little reserve in the Prongops in the southwest of Western Australia. It's called Twin Creeks Reserve. Well, because there's like 2 creeks or something. Very nice here. And there's lots of like animals that we see on this, like spiders, lizards, birds and stuff. We'll hopefully see them. But I hope it's a good video, and yeah, let's get to it. Look at that. So I just lifted up this rock, and there's a really like deep hole. There is some web around it, but I can't seem to see the right next to this fence post. Pretty cool. It's just put it back in place, and that feel this. Well, you can't feel it, but it's super soft, spongy. So yeah, pretty cool. So we're just in this spot around here. There's lots of trees and stuff. So yeah, pretty cute and cool. Look at him. So I just lifted up a log, and there's just this little skink, this little lizard. It's very nice and small. I need to be careful though, because if I grab his tail or something accidentally, it would fall off. He seems pretty well and healthy. He still seems pretty young, because I've seen these species before and they're like bigger, like a lot bigger. See that? Just release him.
He's got nice little colourings on him.
Yeah. And then just touch his tail, and there he goes. Back into the log. Pretty cool. So, there's a bit of wind, but see this? It's a leaf by the looks. But if I gently just squeeze here, see that? Whoa! Spider comes out. Please don't bite me. This is a weaver spider, and they weave their homes out of leaves. They're pretty cool. They just live in this nest and hang there on these leaves, and they're a bit of a reddy brown colour. So yeah, it's pretty cute. I've seen quite a few of them along here. This is just a good example, and yeah, just wanted to show you. So yeah. Okay.
Camouflaged in.
Put your hand there. So there he is. Oh, and
He's going back in his home.
Is he going back in? Yep.
Yeah.
He just went into his
We're safe now.
little home. Let's leave him in peace. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys that. Looky! So there's a little, like, I'm pretty sure they're called like flat spiders. They're like a type of huntsman. Let's try and get him out in the open. Oh, it's alright, it's alright. Oh, he's running. He just ran under some bark. Hopefully we can find him again. Okay. Yeah, there he is. I can see him. So he's a very small little huntsman flat spider. Ugh. Tongue twister. You'd see him just there. Just right next to my fingers. And he's got some really nice little. He looks very dark in coloration, and he doesn't seem to run very well. because they're so flat. It's hard for them to gain speed, I think, or something like that. Pretty cool. Just doesn't seem to want to go into my hand. Pretty cool.
Let's see if I can get a close up.
There we go. Hello.
There
He always looks like a tick at first,
He does.
but he's definitely a spider. Where did he go?
He's down here.
Oh, he's on the log.
Sorry. That'll be might be better close up.
Pretty cute. So yeah,
Fascinating
just
how
under all this bark.
they go.
Nice to see. Look at this. So, oh, spider web just there. It's pretty cool. But there's a little flower just here. It's not an orchid, but pretty nice looking. It has some very nice, vibrant blue colours, and it seems to have a tiny spider web on it. But it's very pretty, nice, and there seems to be some more just up here. Right there, there's a few of them. Very nice. Oh, look at this spider web. There's a spider web right here, and it seems to lead. Goes for very long. It's very fine, the webbing. But it starts here and it just runs along all the way along, and it looks like it leads down there, and there's like some webbing down there. It's very nice. Wind seems to have dropped off now, so nice to see. But yeah, let's keep going.
Top or the bottom is
Okay, so there's a little spider in here, and I saw him just before, but I'm just hoping to try get him out to see in the camera. Oh, yeah, I can see legs. I can see legs. Come on. There he is. What? Look at that. He looks just like a wolf spider. Oh. Yeah, it looks just like a wolf spider.
Do you think it is a wolf spider?
Yeah, it might be a wolf spider. It doesn't look like a trapdoor spider.
Yeah, take
I
a
think it's
picture
just
so that
a wolf spider.
we can put it on our
It looks like it's just a wolf spider with a hole, but still very cool looking.
Can I take a picture, Jeremy, so we
Yeah.
can put it on identify?
iNaturalist.
Yes.
It has very nice patterns. It has different patterns to a normal wolf spider. I guess they live differently. But that looks nice. That's perfect. Very nice. It's cool
Lots
to see.
of patterns.
Yeah. I'll leave him there.
I'm just going to
So,
see if I can get it higher where I can see his pattern.
just walking along this road. Very long. They're just looking at the spider. But very nice. Probably heaps that we've walked past, because it's so hard to find, like the holes and things like that. So yeah, let's keep going and leave the spider in peace. Look at this. It's just like these little, like, I don't think they're like spitfires, but they're like little grub things. They're just munching away at this grass tree. Pretty cool. It's pretty sad as well though. I'm not even sure if they're native, but they're just eating this And we're at the moment in this like really woodlandy spot. But yeah. Let's keep going. So, just down here, and look at this scorpion. Oh, there's two. There's two scorpions. Two scorpions. Yeah, I am. Look at these. They're nice sized as well. Look at that. They don't seem to be angry. See that?
Wow.
That is what I was hoping to find.
Two?
Yeah, two.
That is
Very
cool.
nice.
That is
Wow,
very
I wish I could
Oh,
could
look
find.
at him. So what sort?
There's two.
Oh wow.
They're very nice. They're the black rock scorpions. Or no, I think they would be black rock scorpions. So nice. They're so beautiful.
Is this like your first one you had?
Yeah. Okay. And
They obviously are communal.
I don't think they would be. They're just hiding under the same log. Pretty nice. Just under that log. I knew that log had potential. It's a log of potential. It's perfect. So beautiful.
Put the log back on.
Okay. Let's just release
You
them.
don't want to squish them.
It's alright. Yeah, I know. It's gonna be hard. They're a good sized scorpion as well. Okay.
Well, that's good.
Mm.
The sun's out now. Is that coming
They
out?
look very nice.
Do you want me to video it as well, just in case?
This one seems nice and quiet. This one is the one that's aggressive. But we can put the log over the top
Hang
now.
on, hang on. Can you just let me video a little bit? Oh, why is it not videoing?
So
Can you tell
beautiful.
what's going on?
What do you mean? There. Okay. So what a flip. Very gentle. Very gentle. And
That's alright.
just like
That's
that.
good, eh?
Okay. Have a good life, you two little scorpions. That was the find of the day. That was beautiful. Okay, well, let's keep going. Hi guys, so I'm here in my chicken pen again. Like making outros here for some reason. So I hope you enjoyed the video. It was really good because I saw so many animals. Like there were those scorpions, there was that spider in the hole, there were just so many cool animals. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. What else? Yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. So, bye.